Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to install Google Play Store on computer. Go to any browser and click Play Store, PC. Go to the first link and click Download Beta. Select the place you want to save it. Now go to the file and open it. Select the place you want to install the program and click Install. And it's installed. Click Sign in to Google. It will redirect you to the browser and click your account, or if you don't have to, just type in. Click Sign in. And now go back to the program. Click Looks Good. Accept. And finish. And it's done. Now you have Google Play installed on your computer. You can play some games, install some applications to your computer. If this video was helpful, please like video and subscribe my channel.